So in these examples, it asks you a simple question. Can the triangles be congruent? If so, name the method. If not, write none. You'll have some like this on your quiz next week and on your test next week. Quiz is on Tuesday, test is on Thursday. So in all of these, we want to mark anything that we know is congruent, because we almost always need more things that is marked originally. So for number one, anybody, what can I mark on here? Okay, I'm tired of waiting on you guys for simple things, so I'm just going to start calling on people at random. All right, Kevin, what can we mark here? Say it again. Okay, this is congruent to itself by the reflexive property. Exactly right. So, Peter, why are the two triangles congruent then?
That's actually a good question.
I thought so. Thank you.
Sorry.
So just look at one triangle and tell me, in just this triangle on the left, how many sides are marked congruent and how many angles are marked congruent? Try again.
Wait.
This is a side. This is an angle.
Oh.
This
yeah,
is an angle.
2 angles on one side.
Pardon?
2 angles on one side.
2 angles in one side. Is this side in between this angle and this angle?
No. I mean, yes. Wait. No. No.
So that's angle, angle, side. All right, Blake, what can we add to the next one?
Reflexive.
Yep. We can add the reflexive property to this. Angel, do you know why these two triangles are congruent? You started to say something. What were you saying? So why the two triangles congruent is the question. It's either side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, or hypotenuse leg. Yeah, it's hypotenuse leg, exactly. Because the hypotenuse is across from the right angle, and any other sides are legs. All right. Isaac, what can I add to number 3? Yes, I can add that the vertical angles are congruent. Exactly right. Very good. So, Chris, why would these two triangles be congruent then? Oh, we've got the vertical angles. So which one of these reasons lets me know the triangles are congruent? Angle, side, angle. Exactly right. Paige, there are actually 2 things I can add to this one. I'll take either one that you can give me. For number 4.
Oh, the reflexive.
Okay, we can do the reflexive property. And then Samira, what else can we do? We've got parallel lines. I'm sorry, I just couldn't hear you. What's going to be congruent? Shh. Okay, Let's see. Who's in desk 11? Grant, can you tell me what's going to be true if these two sides are parallel? And if you don't know, Blake's dying to tell us.
Well, I'm not really dying, just like
Pardon? What?
alternate interior.
Yeah, the alternate interior angles are congruent. All right. So, Garrett, why are these two triangles congruent? Shh. Exactly right. Well done. Side angle side. Let's see, 17's not here, 20's not here. 18, Chris, it's asking for you again. So, shh. All right, quiet, please. See if we can focus for a little while longer. Chris, what else can I add on number 5? The reflexive property, exactly right. And let's see. Blake, why are these congruent? So, in this triangle, how many angles are marked?
1.
And how many sides?
1. Oh,
2. Is the angle in between the two sides?
Yeah.
This angle's in between this side and this side?
No.
No. So it's not side angle side. And there's no such thing as side side angle. This is none. None, shh, quiet please. None is always a possibility on these. Okay, it's not hypotenuse leg because we don't have a right triangle. All right, let's see. Sasha, what can I add on number 6? Shh, pardon? You're reflexive? Oh, I see, you got an easy one, didn't you? Let's see. 17's not here. 10. Must be Andrew. What else can we add on this? I'll give you a hint. It has to do with the parallel lines. Yeah, the alternate interior. Stetson, please be quiet. I don't care. I said, please, what did I say? Said, please be quiet. So those two angles are congruent. So oh, it asked for Andrew again. Nice. Why are these two triangles congruent? The thing, yes, the thing. Yes. It is. Nice going. All right. Shh. On this one, they give us that we have a bisector and that angle R is congruent to angle T. Samira, what's one thing I can add to this one? There are 2 things I could do right now, but give me just one of them. Garrett? The reflexive property, absolutely.
What?
The reflexive property. Pardon? The one on, it's different than the one on your page? It's exactly like that.
Wait, oh.
What do you mean it's not the same? It looks exactly like it. Probably shouldn't have done that. All right, so The second part, it says SQ bisects RST. So, Blake, it keeps asking about you. If we're bisecting angle RST, which has its vertex up here, what do we know?
Like Q's gonna be in the middle.
Pardon?
Isn't like Q gonna be in the middle?
Yeah, it's going to be in the middle. We need a little bit more than that, though. You're right.
I don't really know.
I'll take a volunteer to help him out. But sorry. Shh.
Angles RSQ is congruent to angles TSQ.
Nice. These two angles, RSQ and TSQ, are congruent to each other. When we bisect an angle, we always create, Peter, turn around, two congruent angles. All right. And then Sasha, why are these two triangles congruent? Pardon? No, it is. They are. So look at just one triangle. How many angles are marked? Two. How many sides are marked? One. Is this side in between this angle and this angle? No. So that is angle, angle, side. Remember, angle, angle, side is a thing. Side, side, angle, not so much. I think, was that what you were thinking? All right. Let's go on to this last one. Let's see. 13, page. So tell me something I can mark on my diagram here.
The vertical angle. Oh, wait.
All right, the vertical angles are congruent. Yep, we can do that. Oh, it asked for you again. I'm not kidding. What else can we do? It says I is the midpoint of RS. Tell me what I can do.
So mark I as the midpoint.
If I is the midpoint, what things are congruent then, is what I'm looking for.
T-I?
I is the midpoint of RS.
Oh, sorry. R-I and I-S.
There we go.
Next page.
RI and IS. You got it eventually. It's all right.
Oh, I didn't even say that, so I'm sorry.
Let's see. 17. Oh,
No.
no, nobody's there. Number 5, Peter. So, I've got that these two are perpendicular and these two are perpendicular. What can I say?
Right triangle. I mean, no, right angles.
Which angles are right angles?
Angle TRI.
Yep.
And is that Y?
Yep.
Yeah, Y side.
Yes. Those two angles are both right angles. And 20 is not here. Gerson. How can I prove these two triangles congruent now? I'll give you a hint. The answer is not none. Yep, it is angle, side, angle. You guys are cracking me up. All right, so. So you can go ahead and continue working on the review, the worksheet, not the review sheet. That'll be due on Monday.
We have a